a small, compact rural stone structure nestled among hills, woodlands, and the set of the sea on the horizon. This is the setting for the restoration and extension of a small countryside property near Volterra in Tuscany. The expansion begins with a simple yet powerful gesture. Two new prismatic volumes clad in local stone emerge from the terrain like monoliths, connected to the original building through glazed walkways in corten steel and glass. Nothing is left to chance, not the terrain's natural slopes, nor the play of light and shadow on the surfaces. The three structures, symbiotically connected, rest at an intermediate level, as if wrapped in a cocoon of shifting dimensions, textures, and colors. The house reveals a refined design, where the charm of rustic architecture meets modern minimalism. The house holds a striking, elevated position overlooking one of Tuscany's most treasured views, a region known for its art, history, and alabaster. It's immersed in an enchanting rural landscape, rich in contrast, color, sound, and atmosphere. The garden is an essential part of the narrative. A path of pebbles guides visitors between the buildings, following the topography and opening space for grasses, shrubs, and rounded rocks. The vegetation changes with the seasons, in shades of green, gray, yellow, and violet. The architecture doesn't compete with the landscape. It listens, adapts, and responds. Its lines are clean and precise. The travertine surfaces and metal details highlight the formal purity of the composition. In the heart of Tuscany, Wildfarm Volterra is a synthesis of past and present, between the weight of stone and the lightness of the horizon. The original farmhouse was restored and expanded with sculptural precision, redefining the connection between tradition and contemporary design. The project was created by the renowned architecture firm, Studio Milani, and is inspired by the relationship between contemporary style and the countryside, where stone blends with the transparency of corten steel and glass. Corten steel windows extend outward, framing the landscape. On one side, the infinity pool. On the other, the olive grove. This is not just a shelter, it's a place for contemplation. The overall atmosphere is shaped by the natural palette of the Volterra region, where the terrain shifts from the gray of exposed rock to the earthy tones of travertine and cultivated fields. The deep green of the forest and the silvery green of olive trees mix with bursts of yellow, violet, and white. A retaining wall supports the greatest level difference between the house and the parking area, branching into two paths, one leading to the pool, the other toward a field of grasses and the orchard. Wildfarm Volterra is not just a renovated home. It is a thoughtful bridge between past and present, between the solidity of stone and the lightness of the horizon. Each stone, each monolith, and every pebble in the garden tells a story of place identity and harmony, an invitation to contemplate nature without ever leaving home.